Welcome to our guide on the best digital microscope for electronics repair and PCB inspection. Struggling to see tiny PCB details while soldering? Today, I'll show you the top digital microscopes that make electronics repair easier and more precise. Stick around because we'll also reveal a hidden feature most people don't know about. It could be a game changer for your projects. Check out the product links in the description to grab your own microscope and take your electronics work to the next level. Top 5 digital microscopes for electronics and PCB inspection. 5. Andonstar AD407, high-quality metal lens and focusing barrel for industrial-grade durability. 7-inch IPS screen with 2160p HD recording and HDMI output for dual-screen display. Adjustable metal stand and UV filter protect the lens during soldering. 8 levels of LED lighting on dual side plates for perfect brightness. Wireless remote for long-distance operation. Digital zoom and stable photo video capture. Micro SD slot up to 64 GB to store high-quality images and videos. Complete package includes all accessories and 24-hour professional support. 4. Tomlove TM4K-AF Flex, 4K digital microscope with advanced autofocus and TOF sensor. AI-driven focus for moving subjects, ideal for soldering and coin inspection. 8-inch 4K UHD screen, 52 megapixel images, 100% sRGB, and 99% NTSC color accuracy. Ergonomic flex arm with vertical, horizontal, and 360 degrees rotation. Tri-screen HDMI USB output and enhanced ring light for uniform illumination. 2000x zoom, adjustable height, and 64GB micro SD storage. Features digital magnification, DIY grid lines, and smart controls. 3. Amscope SE400Z, professional stereo microscope with long boom arm for large specimens. Binocular viewing head with 10x and 20x wide field eyepieces. Fixed 30-degree inclination to reduce eye and neck strain. 1x objective for low magnification and extended focal length. Adjustable gooseneck LED light and 12-inch boom arm for XY axis positioning. 2. Warsh RM, compound trinocular microscope with wide-angle eyepieces, WF10x and WF25x. 195 achromatic objective lens with advanced infinity optical system. Magnification, 40x to 5000x. LED lighting, dual coaxial coarse fine focus, adjustable pupil distance, 306-degree swivel head. Comes as a complete laboratory pack with slides, tools, and accessories. Perfect for biology, school experiments, veterinary inspections, and more. 1. Amscope M120C, digital compound microscope with 5-megapicture camera and USB 2.0 output. Monocular viewing head with 10x and 25x wide field eyepieces. 45-degree vertical inclination plus 360 degrees rotation for comfortable viewing. Reverse mounted nosepiece with 4x, 10x, 40x DIN achromatic objectives. Bright field upper-lower LED lighting and 0.65 NA single lens condenser. Includes plain stage, 5 prepared slides, and 5 blank slides. Ideal for educational and research applications. That's it for our review of the best digital microscopes for electronics repair and PCB inspection. If you're looking for a tool that combines high-quality imaging, comfortable viewing, and versatile illumination, these microscopes are worth checking out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.